Okay, these are chopsticks. I like these. They're nice and long, and they have a square end at this side and a round, blunt points on them. And this one is warped. I'm not crazy about that. It's not a straight line. This one is straight. Okay, so start off, there are two ways you need to hold the chopstick. One is like this, where they're pretty much parallel to each other. You just hold it on these two fingers here, and have the thumb holding pressure on the two chopsticks, holding it onto your fingers. So this is pretty much the easiest one. This is kind of like a Karate Kid. This is stir stuff. Okay, the other one is you get the points together, and that's poke stuff. So you poke stuff. This is Italian sausage. Okay, and over here is hamburger. So they've both been in the freezer, they've both been through the microwave, and they are thawed out, but they need to be broken apart. That's why I'm poking at stuff. And then they need to mix together, so I use the stir stuff. So when I put the spaghetti sauce in here and other stuff, I will be stirring a lot. So this one doesn't do a whole lot. It holds there. This one, the little finger helps to keep this one from going off someplace like that. So that's about it. So you pretty much know how to do that. It's kind of like holding a pencil. But you need two of them. They need to be the same length. If you try to work them with different lengths, it's not going to work out right. And you just bang it on the bottom of the block, and then they are the same length. So you want them about an inch apart and the same length, and then you can stir stuff and you can poke stuff. So that's the two starter ways of holding the chopsticks. Now there's another way when you've got stuff that you can push down. This is push down. You hold them apart like that, and you just push stuff down. And then there's both together when you're scraping stuff off the bottom, like when you're cleaning it. You could just put them both together and squish them. And then if you've got stuff that you really need to break apart, you can just use two hands on it and use them kind of like scissors to separate stuff. But for the most part, yeah, just use the stir stuff and the poke stuff, and they're very versatile. They are also very easy to clean, and take a lot of heat and of use. So get used to holding them. Okay, now there's a Zen moment, the wax on, wax off stuff, where you take a stir stuff and combine it with a poke stuff, and you get pick up stuff. Cool, huh? So you can use that to move stuff around in the wok, or you can find something and take a taste, yummy, of what you're cooking. So that's it. You just hold them on your second and middle finger. Use the outer fingers to help trap them in there, and that's all there is to it.